Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have the right access, admin or edit, so changes save. Open Settings, then Appearance or Theme, immediately find the normal theme. Once located, make a quick backup or export of the current theme settings so you can revert if needed. Now, click the normal theme to select it and observe the preview area. This step ensures you're modifying the intended theme. It avoids accidental edits and speeds up later rollback if something goes wrong. Now you dive into the detailed edits. Change the color palette, choose fonts, adjust spacing, and swap the logo so everything reads as one design. Use the preview mode to check changes at full size and in responsive views, mobile, tablet, desktop, so nothing breaks. Make one change, then save, repeat for each property. This incremental approach helps isolate issues. Also jot down the exact values you change so you can reproduce or reverse them, which saves time if you need to compare versions. Finish by applying or publishing the normal theme and immediately verify several live pages to confirm the look. Make sure to clear any caches and perform a hard refresh, then test across different browsers and devices so you catch rendering differences. If something looks wrong, revert to your backup or restore the specific saved values you noted earlier. This is faster than redoing everything. One key troubleshooting tip: if styles still misbehave, disable caching plugins or extensions and retest, because cached CSS often causes stale visuals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.